You are in need of knowing need. And if you need not know need, then you needn't have clicked on this video. Need ya? My name is Toby, this is Smash English, and here is everything that you need to know about need for the B2 First and C1 Advanced Cambridge exams. Let us begin with need as a main verb. Yeah, we're keeping it really simple. We use need to talk about necessity. For example, if you want to pass the B2 First exam, then you need to study. If you want to get drunk, then you need to drink. If you want to kiss a girl, then you need to make the first move. Oh my god, no! So we have subject plus need plus to plus the infinitive. And yeah, we use need like any other verb. So we can use it to talk about the past. I needed to go to the toilet, but Toby didn't let me, so I made a mess. Or we can use it to talk about the future. Yeah, hi Dad. Yeah, you'll need to get up early tomorrow morning because I've got a hair appointment in Paris, so I need to get to the airport. What do you mean you've got other things you need to do? No, Daddy, this is like child abuse. You cannot do this to me. Oh my God. Monica, I can drive you. No, don't worry. You don't need to. My daddy will do it. No, I insist. Oh my God, Daddy, you don't understand. I'm really needing some support right now. I'm going through a difficult time, okay? In addition, need can also be followed by an object. Oh my God, I really need a driver. Duke? Yeah, in this sentence, I am your object, aren't I, Monica? And you can do anything you want with me. And this video has already become disgusting. Excuse me? Disgusting? I'm being a gentleman, and Monica needs to be driven to the airport. Why are you putting on gloves? Because Toby, I read in a book that protection needs to be worn at all times to avoid any unwanted surprises. We can also use need plus to plus be plus a past participle, and this is a form of the passive. For example, the light's not working. The bulb needs to be changed. My hair is too long. It needs to be cut. And we can express this another way. Need plus gerund. Remember this because it's super common in your keyword transformations. Right, okay, Toby, I'm leaving. See you later, okay? Wait, no, where are you going? We're working. Monica needs driving to the airport, and I said I'll take her. Monica? Well, Toby, look at me. My hair needs styling, okay? I look totally gross. Like, obviously not ugly, but I could be so much better. She's got a point, you know, Tobes. And her beard needs shaving. Oh my God, shut up, Bruce. You needn't be so mean. Need can also be a modal verb, but this is kind of rare nowadays. It's also super formal. We most commonly use need in this way, in the interrogative form. Need I walk the lady to her car? Oh my God, Daddy, I will never forgive you for this. I said, need I walk the lady to her car? No, you need not walk the lady to her car. I can do that on my own. And you need not talk to the lady, and you definitely need not kiss the lady, okay? Yes, of course. My little cherub. Oh, and we also do this with the negative form too. You're unlikely to ever use this, but you should be aware that it exists. So, let us quickly recap and summarize what we have seen so far. Need can be a main verb to express necessity with to plus the infinitive. We can also use need with an object. Additionally, we can use need with the passive, need plus to plus be plus the past participle, and we can express the same idea with need plus gerund. And finally, need can also be a modal verb, but this is super formal and you are unlikely to use this. But you could hear it. So,
Oh, I love driving. The open road, where anything can happen.
oh my God, this is so gross.
Do you like my smell, Monica?
What?
It's Versace. Versace Eros.
Oh my god.
I wore it especially for you.
Well, you needn't have.
Oh, and I bought you these.
Flowers? Again, Duke, you needn't have. Ah, here is something. Look at these two sentences. In the first sentence, it was not necessary for Duke in the past to buy the flowers, but he did buy them. That is the crucial thing. He did buy them. In the second sentence, it was not necessary for Duke in the past to buy flowers, but we don't know if he bought flowers or not. All we know is that it was unnecessary. Let's take a look at another example. You spend all week studying for a test and then the test is cancelled. So you needn't have studied for the test because it was cancelled and you did study. You could also say you didn't need to study, but that doesn't tell us any information about whether you studied or not. You see the difference? So, the grammar here is need plus not plus have plus the past participle. You will often encounter this in a contraction. So, need not becomes needn't. Brilliant. And there we have it. That is every use of need as a verb that you need to know for the B2 First and the C1 Advanced Cambridge exams. But we also have need as a noun. Oof. Are you excited? Yes, of course you are. So what I want you to do is watch the video and note down every time you hear need being used as a noun.
Oh my god, I cannot believe this is my situation. Doesn't my dad realize I have needs? We all have needs, Monica.
Yeah, and right now,
I am in need of help. Isn't this beautiful? Driving away from civilization. Hey, Monica, do you think if you screamed really loudly, anyone would hear you?
Toby, I can't do this. I know it's just for a video, but I think this is really who he is.
Monica, what are you talking about? It's Duke. He's fine.
Oh my god, Toby, it's the police.
Oh, for goodness sake. Hide the phone. Don't mention my name.
Yes, officer. How may I be of assistance?
There was a need to stop you, sir, because you were speeding.
But, officer, I have a need. A need for speed.
Oh my god, he's still going.
Can I see your license, please?
A licence? I don't have a licence. I have no need for a licence. The only licence I have is a licence to love.
Oh my god, what is he doing?
Where were you going, sir?
Oh, I was just driving around in circles for a Smash English video.
Smash English? What's that?
Officer, no one's ever heard of it.
What? Why is she saying that?
Toby gave me the keys to his daddy's car and told me we were in need of content.
Right, sir, you're going to need to come with me, and so is that man with the beard in the back seat. Thank you very much.
Excuse me, I am not a man with a beard.
So, let's take a look at what we heard. We heard to have needs. We can often talk about having fundamental or having basic needs, and these are the fundamental or basic things that you need to survive and live a normal, good life. We also had to be in need of. This can be followed by an object. For example, I'm in need of help. Also, it can be followed by a gerund. For example, the car is in need of cleaning. And this is the same as the car needs cleaning. And lastly, we had to have a need for something. Normally we find this in the negative. For example, I have no need for your sympathy. However, sometimes we can find this in the positive, like I have a need for speed. But yeah, this is kind of rare. And there we have it. With that, Yep. Yeah, Dad. Yeah. No. It wasn't stolen. I was doing it. It's just a video, Dad. It's... What? Okay. No, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that.